I'm Carla Salinas, and you're watching Daytime with Kimberly and Esteban, and get ready to clear your calendar for July the 4th because you're not going to want to miss Texas Cookem, the Valley's largest barbecue competition. And this year, they've raised the stakes, and winners will be awarded $16,000. Take a look. Bring your family and bring your appetite to Texas Cookem this year as competitors will battle it out on the grill to cook the best chicken, ribs, pork, brisket, and ribeye for money and a year's worth of bragging rights. Today we spoke with the executive director of the Edinburg Chamber of Commerce, Ronnie Laralde, all about this year's event.
Texas Cookem High Stakes in Edinburg is a great quality of life event for the city of Edinburg and of course the Royal Grand Valley, but it's a big championship cook-off to bring families together, and it draws a lot of tourism to the area. So we're excited to have it this year. Obviously, we weren't able to have it because of the pandemic last year, so this will be our 15th year. So we're excited to bring families back together in this community.
And apart from the incredible food, Ronnie tells us they've got lots of fun things to do for the perfect 4th of July celebration.
There's family entertainment. We have kiddie rides, we have inflatables for the kids. We also have a BMX cross rider show that's coming in to town. So it's a lot of different events. Obviously we'll have vendors out there. You can purchase some merchandise. And then, the biggest thing is, the concert and the fireworks at the end of the night.
And the best part,
the event is free. We do have some VIP tables for purchase for our concert. Which is our headliner, Easton Corbin, will be performing.
After a fun-filled event, Ronnie tells us they're ending the night with a bang.
We cannot end the day without fireworks. It's going to be a beautiful, up-close and personal fireworks show, but it's going to be a 20-minute show, so we're excited.
So spend your 4th of July this year in the wonderful city of Edinburg.
We're inviting everybody to come out to Texas Cookem High Stakes in Edinburg July the 4th at Ebony Hills Golf Course. It's going to be a family fun event. We want you to come out, bring your lawn chairs, bring your blankets. There's a lot of space in the area. You can also participate as a judge, so we need judges for the cook-off, so you could call the Edinburg Chamber at 956-383-4974. You can visit us at edinburg.com. So there's a lot of ways you can participate in this event, so we're asking you to come on out.
For more information, call 956-383-4974 or visit their Facebook at Texas Cookem Edinburg.